Agile manufacturing. 1. Agile manufacturing is a flexible and responsive production approach that enables quick adaptation to changing customer demands and market conditions. 2. It focuses on reducing lead times, enhancing production flexibility, and promoting collaborative and cross-functional teams for efficient decision-making and resource allocation. 3. Agile manufacturing relies on modular production systems, advanced automation, and real-time data integration to enable rapid product customization and quick production ramp-up. 4. It emphasizes continuous innovation, customer involvement, and supply chain collaboration to drive competitive advantage and market responsiveness. 5. Agile manufacturing facilitates faster time to market, improved customer satisfaction, and increased ability to capture new market opportunities. 6. It enables companies to effectively manage product variety, frequent design changes, and short product life cycles through agile product development and efficient production processes. 7. Agile manufacturing promotes resource optimization and waste reduction by implementing lean principles such as just-in-time production and pull-based systems. 8. It requires a high level of employee empowerment, cross-training, and knowledge sharing to enable flexibility and adaptability in manufacturing operations. 9. Agile manufacturing encourages the use of advanced technologies, such as additive manufacturing, 3D printing, and robotics, to enable rapid prototyping and production. 10. It enables companies to quickly respond to market fluctuations, disruptions, and changing customer preferences, allowing for increased competitiveness and market share.